All right, so Pulleys sent me their latest robot. We're gonna look in the box here. We got the charger, got some hooks and some wheels, and it says a scraper. Here's our manual, and it's looks thorough. There's two of them, a quick start and a more in-depth guide. Pull this out here. All right, so here's the unit, and it looks pretty sharp. Like a little pool Roomba. Pretty cool. You know, this is the best part always. Very nice. And so we have a, looks like a pickup handle. We have some latches there. And that gets us into the unit. This is our screen here that's going to collect debris and leaves and whatnot. It's pretty easy to figure out. And so I imagine our next step is going to put the wheels on. We're going to put wheels on it. And let's look in here and see what we got. All right, let's dump these in here. So this is our gaffling hook. This will be to grab it up out of the pool. Imagine something like that. That just goes onto your regular pool net. Okay, so we have two different size wheels here, big and small. So our small ones are going to go in the smaller slots. Pop right in. And the larger one, that's going to go in the large slot. Now we've got to figure out where these scrapers go. Oh, these are rubber scrapers. Okay, and our scrapers are just going to go right in here like that. They pop right in. And it appears we have a couple extra ones, which is good. These are going to be making contact with the bottom, so a couple extras is nice. They're all the same. These are just spares. Here's our on and off button here. This is going to be the rubber plug that will go right over it. And that goes, yes, there's slots here, so you can't really cross that up. So that'll just plug those off to keep them protected. A lot of spare. We do get an extra one of those covers. Here's our actual charge unit right here, and this is the plug-in, which also will only go in one way. You've got a couple of barbs here to keep that, so it can only go in that way. And I guess what we need to do now is we'll go ahead and we'll charge this thing up, get a good charge on it, throw it in the pool and see how it works. All right, so once we're all fully charged up, we just push the red button on the bottom, give it a 3-second hold, we can hear it, and we just drop it in. So she's sinking down to the bottom now, and we're going to let her go ahead and clean a little bit. It should take a couple of seconds once it hits the bottom to realize that it's on the bottom, and then it should take off. Pull her out. Let it drain. Now we go ahead and turn it off. Hold the button down for 3. Hear a beep. And now we can take a look in it. So here's our screen right here. So here's our screen right here. We've unlatched it, and we actually do have quite a bit of debris. Pretty impressive. It picked up a lot of junk in, you know, just a couple of minutes of runtime. So it definitely works. Like I said, be best in a flat bottom pool, but pretty nice. All right, well, that was the Poolies, and I think it did a great job. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Like I say, this pool was a little bit too steep in the bottom. This is really a steep pool, by the way. But for a flat bottom pool, and the job it did on the bottom was pretty amazing. So there we go.